In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set Y-intercept = 0 on Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet that already contains the chart you want to adjust. This works best with a chart that has a data series where a trend line makes sense, such as a scatter chart or a line chart based on numeric values. Next, find your chart on the sheet and double-click directly on it. When you do, a panel called the Chart Editor will open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is where Google Sheets keeps the formatting and analysis options for the chart, including trend lines and their settings. At the top of the Chart Editor, click the Customize tab. The Setup tab controls the data range and chart type, but for intercept and trendline options, you will want Customize. Now, in the Customize section, click Series to expand it. Series settings apply to the plotted data, and this is also where the trendline tools live. If your chart has multiple series, be mindful that the options you change here may apply to the currently selected series in the editor. Within the series options, look for Trendline. If it is not enabled yet, check the Trendline box. As soon as you turn it on, a fitted line should appear on your chart, and you will see additional trendline settings appear underneath. Scroll down in the same area until you reach the Label drop-down menu. This controls what text, if any, displays on the trendline. Open the drop-down and select Use Equation. This places the trendline equation on the chart, which is helpful for confirming that your changes are taking effect. Right below the label settings, locate the option called Calculated Intercept. Check the Calculated Intercept box. This is the key setting that forces the trendline to use a zero intercept. As soon as you enable it, observe the chart. The trendline should shift so that it passes exactly through the origin, the point at 0, 0. If you are displaying the equation, you should also see the intercept term adjust accordingly. And that is all there is to it.